Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to retrieve your Google Analytics tracking ID, especially for Google Analytics 4. If you need to create a new tracking ID, you can check out the video linked in the description below. Start by visiting Google Analytics and signing in with your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your Google Analytics accounts. Select the correct account and property that you previously created for your website or application. In the bottom left corner of the screen, click on the admin icon. In the admin menu, click on Data Streams. Here, you'll find a list of the data streams you've created. Select the data stream you want to retrieve the ID for, such as All. On the next screen, you'll see the measurement ID in the top right corner. If you want to copy the Google Analytics tracking code, click on View Tag Instructions, then select Install manually. Copy the tracking code and paste it into the east section of your website's source code. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can locate your Google Analytics tracking ID for integration into your website or app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Easy Tech Steps, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.